Hello guys, in today's video we have the itel A50 which is locked. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you guys can remove any type of pattern or password from your itel A50. For that, first you guys have to power off your phone. Then press the power key for 5 seconds and then quickly hold on to the volume down key also. Press power key for 5 seconds and after 5 seconds press the volume down key also. And then release the power key when itel logo appears, but keep holding on to the volume down key until the no command page comes up. Then press the power and volume up keys for the recovery menu. Then inside the recovery menu, use volume keys to move the option and use power key to select an option. Select wipe data with the power key and then select factory data reset. This will completely erase all the data from your phone, including your files, photos, videos, everything. After the data wipe completes, select reboot system now. After the reboot, your phone will take some time to load up, so you guys have to wait for it. Then after that, select your language, select your region, set up your phone, and after completing this setup, you guys will be able to use your phone normally again.